Hi, this is Rusty Squire with Sly Dog Production, and I am super excited to bring to you some information today about how to get your website, your content like video and blog posts, and even press releases up onto page one of Google, where you're ultimately going to benefit from all that traffic. And this isn't just some pie in the sky stuff. I'm going to show you exactly how we did it and how you can do it as well, or how we can do it for you. Now, there's no doubt the world's changed. I mean, 70% of all online traffic is now video, and the vast majority of your clients start searching for you right here on this device. Now, I have a search pulled up here for Bozeman Dentist, but if you're not in this map pack, you need to get yourself in there. And the best way to do it is to make sure that your Google business listing is updated with the correct address and information, and then get lots of your customers, previous customers, to write reviews for you. We're number one in the map pack for almost every search I do, and that's both with my company Sly Dog Production as well as my company 1031 Property Exchange. And you've got to be on this first page of Google, and you've got to be in those first 3 listings. If you're not, you're missing out on 70% of all the traffic that Google generates. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to get there. But before we show you the exact techniques that we used to make it onto the first page of Google and in the top 3 listings, what I'd like to do is provide you with some social proof. I'm going to show you searches that were done right here over the Labor Day weekend, and for specific terms related to both our companies that were very high value searches that have generated a lot of business for us. And I think a lot of times people ask you to do what they do or do business with them, and they don't generate the social proof necessary to show that they really know what they're doing. So we're going to do that first. Here's an example for the keyword search phrase Montana video production. There are 51,500,000 unique pages for this term, so it's very competitive. There are multiple Google ads on this page, so it's commercially viable. You'll see here that on September 3rd, 2018, Sly Dog Production ranked number 1 in the Google Map Pack for the term Montana video production. We also had the top 3 video listings. Multiple page 1 listings is really where the power is. For the term Bozeman video production, we are number 1 in the Map Pack because we have complete business information and lots of reviews. We also have the number 1 organic search listing, so we get 36% of all Google traffic. This shows Google ranking for the term Bozeman real estate video. We're number 3. We're currently remedying that. But the important part is that we own ranks 3 through 7, virtually dominating page 1 of Google and thereby crowding out our competition. For the term Bozeman 1031 Exchange, we're the only position in the Map Pack. We also have the first 2 video listings on page 1, and we have the number 2 organic listing on Google, meaning that we get about 20% of all the traffic. Also, once again, there are ads indicating commercial viability. For the term Montana 1031 Exchange, we brought our very simple website to number 3 in less than 60 days from the day we built the site. We also have a press release on page 1 of Google, and once again, there are lots of ads indicating commercial viability. So here's how we rank our web pages and our content. First, we start with on-page web optimization by using the right words in our title tags, text, and our meta tags. This is ultra important because you can't rank for things you don't verbalize. We also let clients book appointments right on the website, and this is a very simple GoDaddy website. We also include a blog for regular content updates and then a bunch of text oriented toward our keywords. This is so important because if your on-page optimization does not match your off-page, you'll never rank. The remainder of the site is a series of very simple pages. The whole site took 1 day to build, but the important part is that it includes video, and Google loves video. They own YouTube, right? Now the methods that we use for off-page rankings, the real meat of the discussion. So we use a commercially paid blogging site that's not cheap called RankSnap. You can see we've only been using it for 3 months, but the results have been phenomenal. What the site does is help us create hundreds of posting accounts with high authority websites. We can post blogs, status updates, bookmarks, and even video, building hundreds of backlinks to our website. This is not a tool for the uninitiated with no search engine optimization experience. Next, we use Presscable, one of the most powerful press release distribution sites in the world. Presscable gives us an enormous amount of detail about our existing and recently published press releases. One of the best features about Presscable is that it allows us to see full reports on all published press releases that shows us data with respect to keyword ranking, the number of media outlets that published, and the clickable links to see the post on each media website. It's an enormously helpful tool when it comes to creating thousands of high-powered backlinks from the very best media websites. Now, I'd love to give you the impression that all this stuff is easy, but it's not. Essentially, what we have to do is we have to go out and write 500 to 750 word articles. We put those articles into article spinners that then create hundreds of unique versions of that article. Then we have to put links back to your website or our website in those articles. And then we've got to get those articles set up and scheduled for distribution. The same is true with press releases. We have to write, 600, 700, 800 word press releases that create the links and install the links that come back to your website. But because these sites are so high authority, they give a lot of link juice to your website, which elevates the ranking in Google. That along with your on-page SEO. So this type of optimization works exceptionally well for dentists, chiropractors, doctors, attorneys, anybody that really has a high value, lifetime value for a client. Those are the types of businesses that this works extremely well for, because all you need to do is get one more client and you've made back all your money in spades. Love to let you try it out, but it's not free. It's definitely a service, and being ranked at the top of Google generates more business than just about any other method of advertising available today.